Hi Rohan, good to see you in this white cassock.
Yeah, you're looking great.
Well, it was not meant to be, and I'm sure those who know me would be rather shocked.
Yeah, I thought I would be in a black coat.
A black coat?
In my childhood days, I always wanted to be a powerful lawyer, looking at my grandfather who was in the High Court. And then, a very fatherly figure came in my life, who was my uncle, who is a priest. And he inspired me a lot. And slowly I began to play keyboard in his prayer services, where I was in the retreat ministries, where I saw healings and miracles happening in front of me, and where I saw God working in my life. And one fine day, as I was playing for the prayer service, a question arose that, do you want to become a priest? And I said, yes, I want to become a priest. And from that day onwards, my journey began on this path.
Wow, that's very interesting.
Yeah. And what about you?
Well, about me, it's a rather long story, but to cut it short, thinking about it, even I never expected I'd be here. From small though, I did have an early devotion to the Holy Eucharist, thanks to my godmother and grandmother, who would take me there for Mass early in the morning. And being in the altar service, being with a priest, that natural inclination was there to join in. I did try in the 10th to join in, but I guess that year shifted to the 12th. And in the 12th, when I tried again at Bombay Diocese, it shifted to the graduation. So in spite of all this feeling that I should study more maybe, I decided to do my BE at XIE, a Jesuit college. Though I did not join Jesuits or any other congregation at that time, but going through that studies, I got into the world. And having a good job after that for 3 years working, also studying, I never really felt that I should go and be a priest. So things were rather different for me at that time. But looking back now, I see how God has worked through all this. Because in spite of all that, having everything good, there was a complete void within me. And that void couldn't be filled by anything else. So it was really difficult for me. And truthfully speaking, that void was filled only over here. So my heart was somewhere, my mind was somewhere else. But that union has come in right now.
In fact, my parents were asking me, is our love not enough for you? Is there something wrong in us? I said, I don't know what to speak. I said, only God is calling me to let me go. And that was the thing. I couldn't express my feeling over there. I just passed my 10th with good marks. They told me to stay 2 more years to discern, to think about my life, about my career, and where I thought that really my happiness, my joy lies in becoming a priest. And that is why I came over here.
And so, being in this priesthood, how do you feel? What do you feel that you should do for the people out there?
I think I love music a lot, and I want to inspire many more young people through my music and attract them to this way of life and teach in colleges to be a great preacher.
Hey Rohan, I heard you compose something.
Yes, and with that composition, I think we will start a Jesuit band.
A Jesuit band? That's a good idea. So stay tuned for more.